Hey, beautiful people. I hope that each one of you all, each and every one of you all, are having a blessed day. I do. Courtesy of Publix. Courtesy of Publix. Testing, testing. Come over here.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came.
Well, hey, beautiful people. Yes. Amen. Courtesy of Publix. I hope that each and every one of you are having a blessed day. Just a wonderful, blessed, fabulous day. Yeah, you know I have a little soy sauce. They only give you a packet. One pack for all this sushi. So I don't have any soy sauce at home, so the only thing I have is this sweet glazed soy sauce. So I'm going to put this in a container. With the other soy sauce. And that is a glazed soy sauce. And that's fine. It has like a little smoky taste to it. And of course, I have my wasabi in here that I am going to mix with my soy sauce. It's going to be real spicy, y'all. Real spicy, guys. Real spicy. Remember, that's a soy glaze. So it's good with, we're going to try the salmon. Oh, I do like the natives do in Japan. I spent some years over there. I had a couple of tours over there. And what I do, they eat their sushi whole. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to try this roll. It's been overnight in the fridge because I got this yesterday evening. And I wanted to sit out a little bit longer so that I can, because it's so cold. It's too cold. I don't like cold sushi. Mm-hmm. I have to wait for these to warm up a little bit because when you eat cold sushi, that rice, it's already sticky rice, so it already be bound together. But when it's cold, it's really bound together, you know. and it falls apart. I got some good a good taste of that miso and soy glaze. Oh my goodness. Just a quick video, you all, because I'm waiting for my camera to charge up. Y'all check out the Cajun boiled eggs I'm about to make, okay? Cajun boiled eggs coming up next. And see, yeah, this is falling apart. And you can hear how crunchy it is. And that's with the rice and stuff too, you know. Which is not a good thing because it's so cold. But sometimes I can make a little sacrifice for my viewers. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Thumbnail.